everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner for the week of April 27th through May 3rd. This is obviously the vertical layout, and I don't do hourly planning. This week's theme, I'm going to do a spring kind of slash gardening theme, and I just section out each parts of each day. This week's theme is going to be kind of a spring slash gardening theme, and this is the washi tape I'm going to use. It's a nice green. I figure spring, green, growing, all the things. So I'm going to go ahead and get this laid down. Thank goodness for my happy planning, because it really does make me happy. So there's our pretty washi tape. Now we're going to go in for our quote sticker. I just thought this was so cute. And I love that it has a little watering can. I think we'll go with this one. Wonderful weekend. I love this sticker. Spring is the time of plans and projects. Yes, it is. Well, I guess this must be a big sticker. Oh, well, that's fine. And by big, I mean for the big Happy Planner. Put this kind of on the weekend. That's when I do a lot of my big projects. I don't know about you guys. Okay. Okay, well, I think this is full enough. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And, let me know what you think. I'm always open to hear people's constructive criticism of my artistic endeavors. If you want to be notified of more content that I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my community here on YouTube. Thanks, guys. Bye.